I'm finally building it. It's been a while since I even touched all my computer stuff, but I'm finally building the Windows XP build. I guess it can be counted as, I believe, a 2004 build, I think is what a lot of people are calling it, especially in the Retro Machines Facebook page. Check them out if you haven't already. So this is it. I don't actually know the specs of the CPU. I think I might have said that at one time, but I don't remember right now. Anyways, there's the graphics card, the orange graphics card, gigabit Ethernet card, sound card, 2 DVD drives, maybe a CD drive. Let's see, CD-ROM drive, DVD ROM drive. I don't know. That's everything pretty much. But there's 2 slots in my case, so that's why I have 2 of them. 80 gig, 7200 RPM hard drive. I think it's the USATA or UATA. Yeah, Ultra ATA. So it's gonna be kind of fast. I don't know. I've never really used them. Maybe I have. I don't know. We got 4 gigs of RAM. We got the motherboard. Let's get right into it. Here's a better look at the RAM right here. We got 2 of those. Make 4 gigs. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the power supply is already in the case. I decided to go with 4 just because it's like the highest I think 32-bit Windows XP can go with, so that's why I did 4. That was the only downside with this motherboard, was that it only had 2 slots. Otherwise, I would have had 4, and it would have been the fancier RAM. But I am glad that this RAM fell in my hands. This is the case that we're using. It's supposedly a Roswell case, from what I could tell from the design, and that's all I really know. I don't know any model numbers on it or anything, because there's really not a whole lot of numbers on this thing. I've checked everywhere. I think on the bottom and everything. There's nothing. So I guess it's just kind of generic. I got it off a buddy of mine, so who knows where he got it from. I'll have to take this hard drive out because I was going to use this for a friend's build, but I'm using a white case for him instead because I wanted to use the black case for this build. One reason was because it already has the Pentium 4 sticker on the front. That's all done. We got the hard drive in, and let's put in the DVD drives or CD drives, whatever they are. Okay, so I got the optical drives installed, and well, I guess it's time for the motherboard. I guess I'll put the I/O shield in first. We got the stupid I/O shield installed. I did cut that a little bit because I didn't want to show myself cutting myself if I ever did. Because I have before, not in this one, but I have before. You may have before too, I don't know. Okay, so here's the motherboard. We gotta put this in here without crunching any of the cables. That's good. Okay, there we go. Now we gotta line up the holes. And screw them in. I don't think I'm going to show this on camera. It's a little tedious. Screws are in, and well, might be easier to connect the wires before we put in the expansion card, so I think we're going to do that. Hope everything reaches. I think this is a 175 watt power supply, so should be enough. I hope. I don't really know. Okay, I can't really do this right now. I don't know how to do this. I'm gonna have to use some scissors and cut the zip ties because it's not gonna. Oh no! Can I do that? I might be switching out the power supply too because that's 24 pin, and that look, or is it 24? Yeah, 24. And That's 20, so might be switching them out. I don't know. Okay, so it's all plugged in. Well, besides the front panel and the speaker. I gotta take the back panel off the case to do that, because these were routed for when those were over somewhere over here, I think. I don't remember, but we can't use them. So now we're just gonna install the expansion cards. Here's the video card. I really can't remember what it was. Maybe it says, I don't know. I believe it's an AMD or ATI at this time, I think. It's 128 megabytes. It says A9200 SE. That may be what it is. I don't know. I looked up the codes before and I got the answer. But it's been a while since I looked at this stuff, so I don't know. So we're going to install this first. Well, not quite. I don't want to cut myself on this. I already bent it. Whoops. Oh, were we supposed to do this? Nope, it'll work. Oh, it just barely touches the motherboard. I was afraid. Here we go. Gotta take out a couple of these, I guess. Well, it's a video card going in. There we go. I'll get some screws for it in a minute. Then I believe I had this one here. Which also needs to be taken out. What a joy. Free. I don't think it's something, maybe a little. And the final one, the sound card. Oh, I forgot to show you this one. I'll pull it out real quick. It's a Netgear, so it's a decent brand. Pulled that out of the knee machines. I think that was upgraded. Oh, sound card. I show you that too. It's a Creative Labs. Some kind of sound blaster, I think. I don't remember. I'm gonna screw them in and then it'll be pretty much done. Everything is mostly hooked up, I believe. I think the speaker wire is in the wrong spot. I think that has to be hooked up to the sound card. And then I think I have to get some wires hooked up to the CD players or something. But I'm not worried about that. I'll do that myself after I do some research online, because I'm not too good with this old stuff. Since I didn't really grow up in 2004, since I was born in 2000, so I never got to experience 2004 computers, I guess. I don't know. I did experience XP all the way up until, like, I don't know, probably 2nd grade. And then we went to Windows 7, I believe, but don't quote me on that. We might have still been on XP. Well, anyways, it's going to wrap it up. There'll be another video on installing XP and whatever else, software, games, stuff like that. So, thanks for watching.